Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately. Make sure your game is updated and any required DLC or patches for Only Way are installed so features behave predictably. Once done, pause the game with options and select photo mode while keeping Only Way constraints active. This prevents assists from re-enabling. You need to position Kratos briefly using the controller before toggling free camera. Do this so your starting composition and character pose are exactly where you want it for framing. Once in free camera, you should focus on composition. Move, rotate, and tilt the camera to frame Kratos or Atreus with strong lines and balanced negative space. Then, make technical adjustments. Change FOV and camera distance for perspective, set depth of field and aperture for subject separation, and tweak exposure to keep highlights from clipping. Make sure to test motion blur and filters sparingly. They alter mood drastically, and Only Way lighting can exaggerate effects, so preview before committing. Finish by locking the pose and reviewing all sliders one last time, then press capture, using burst capture for subtle timing differences. Save multiple variants and retake from slightly varied angles to ensure you get a usable frame under Only Way constraints. If the screen stutters, colors shift, or the HUD reappears, exit photo mode and re-enter to reset the camera state, and make sure no accessibility or assist options are toggled on. Reloading the last checkpoint rarely clears a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.